Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we want to showcase this brand new, right off the truck boat. It's a 2021 250 cruiser from Harris. We rig these boats out with as many options that you can get right off the bat, so it gives you a lot of ability to enjoy it out on the, at the island. One thing construction-wise with the Harris's, I know we've covered this a lot in a lot of our videos, but it's very important that you know it's got a solid one-piece M bracket which ties the chassis to the tubes. That keeps all your flex from flopping and squeaking around and gives you a great stable ride. 25-inch tubes. You notice they're sealed. These seams, each one of these chambers are watertight. So if you did have an accident and you were to compromise a tube, you don't lose the whole tube, you don't lose a third of it. Makes it easy to repair, but it keeps you safe. Also on the inside of these tubes, they have the Performance 2 lifting strakes. They're like airfoils. It picks the boat up, rides on a cushion of air, lets the bow ride a little higher. That way you don't have any chance of waves coming over the top, crinkling your fencing. This fencing is corrugated, which gives it extra strength. There's just a lot of aspects with the Harris pontoon boats that we'll be glad to go over and show you all the features that it has and what makes this boat so solid. Step around to the back. It is saltwater package. It does have your zincs, so it can be kept in the water for a period of time. What these zincs do, they're sacrificial pieces of metal, so it doesn't attack any of your aluminum. Super efficient, quiet Mercury 150. These things are so quiet that you can crank them at the dock twice. Ask me how I know that. Very efficient, very fun boats, super quiet, so when you're up there talking, you don't have to yell back and forth to your crew. Everything's really quiet and it makes for a great enjoyable day on the water. One thing I do want to point out on the ladder, Harris's, man, they make some really good ladders. I know if you rent any of these pontoon boats and stuff, some of these are cheaper brands. When you're climbing on the ladder, you swing under the boat, which makes you have to all pull yourself up. This has stanchions off. It keeps the angle a ladder at an angle, makes for easy boarding. You notice you got a double step up here, extra wide up here at the top. Super beefy. You're not going to flex it. It's not going to bow on you. It just makes your day on the water that much better. Come on aboard. Let's take a look at a few of the other features up here. So here on the back of the boat, where all your fun happens, right here, if you're jumping in and out of the water, Harris also gives you a safety feature. It has a bracket here on the front of your boarding doors. What that does is that keeps, if you have a child on board, which, you know, this is a great family boat, child's running or something like that and goes to hit this boat, this door's not going to swing open and have a chance of your dog, your child, or anything like that, your mother-in-law falling overboard. Like I said, everything's top quality aluminum. If you come aboard, this boat's equipped with the new upholstery. It's kind of the tweed two-tone. All Harris's doors are hinged, so there's no chance of your cushions blowing off. They also have their integrated tubs where all the water you bring on board siphons over the side, so what you put in under the seats stay nice and dry. We have the 21 model's got full charging ports for your phones all through the boat. This boat's equipped with the twin captain's chairs. Makes it really easy for husband, wife, father, son. As you're letting your kid learn how to drive the boat, you're right here, right with them. High back seats, nice armrests, extremely comfortable chairs. Wish I could put one in my house to watch TV in. Does have a 9-inch Simrad bottom machine, upgraded JL stereo, Bluetooth, speakers all throughout. Have a ski locker here for your water sports activity. We have the double bimini, which is very popular with all these pontoons. You can have one bimini up, one down, both up, both down, your call. Chance for, we can add a changing station here. Got a full cover that locks into the rub rails, so you don't have any snaps to pull loose. They're full circus tent type, keeps the water shed, so it's not just one flat surface where your water traps in. Makes it really hard to use. If it's hard to use, you're not going to use it. So Harris makes it extremely easy for you to use. Like I said, it's a great quality boat. We have boats coming in every week. Like and subscribe to the videos down below. We have new inventory coming in regularly. If you have any questions about any certain boat and want us to build a boat for you, give me a call. We'll get you fixed up. Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach.